Hello. Today we're going to be changing the rubber Gearstick Gaiter on this 1060 here. The one that's on it, as you can see, has failed, and that's a common source of water getting into the gearbox and making your oil milky. So first of all, I need a 3/4 spanner to slacken off the lock nut, and then remove the knob. And like most that's been on a few years, they're too tight to move by hand. So a little tip here is take a 2-inch Jubilee clip that normally holds the radiator hose on and tighten it onto the gear knob like that, and then get a Stilson and just hook it on the threaded part, and there you go, off it comes without the teeth of the Stilson digging into the Bakelite gear knob and destroying it. And there's the knob off with no damage. Once I've done that, I can take the spanner, wind the lock nut off, and then fit the new gaiter. So there's the tip. Any of you out there got a stiff knob, put a Jubilee clip round it. Happy tractoring, everybody.